Hello and welcome. This is a brief overview of the Nesterenko Software applications and what is new for 2014. Pause the video if needed to take a closer look at some of the reports or screenshots. The video moves quickly and is not intended as a tutorial. More information, sample reports, pricing, tutorial videos, etc. are available on the website, nesterenkosoftware.com. I suggest you print the one-page mini brochures that explain each application. I'd be happy to email you a fully functional trial version of any of these applications and provide an over-the-phone tutorial to get you started if you wish. Check with colleagues in your school board for their experience with these applications and read the reviews on the website. These applications are Microsoft Access application files. Access is a component of MS Office, so is likely already installed on your computer or is readily available. The Timetable Master Schedule Assistant application, which you are currently viewing, is used by guidance and admin throughout the year and by timetablers in the spring. It makes use of data extracted from the Master Schedule by Course Section report. No user data entry is required. Everything is available with a few mouse clicks. The most used report is the Master Schedule report, which shows semester and block from left to right and grades from top to bottom in an easy-to-read visual grid. Courses within each grade are shown alphabetically. The course code, section, and number of students is shown for each course. This sample data is from a school of approximately 900 students. Various symbols and colors are used to highlight on the report. Courses at maximum size, courses over maximum, courses with low enrollment, combined courses. Also, the Term 2 sections of Careers and Civics are displayed as lowercase. There are many other reports. I'll mention a few here. The Teacher Linear Report shows teacher assignments and numbers of students. Room Linear reports also. This particular version makes it easy to find available rooms. On the Other Routine Reports tab, the problem areas can be isolated by viewing the Courses at or over max report. Courses with low enrollment can also be isolated. Some boards use the Courses over max by teacher report to be able to analyze and resolve collective bargaining agreement teacher workload issues. The timetabling tabs have a variety of functions and reports that are extremely helpful when timetabling. This Master Schedule report shows a count of the number of sections and the total number of students loaded into the block. Very helpful information when loading students. Using the various selective imports, the user can isolate groups of courses for analysis. Here we isolate just the U&M level courses. Similarly, the user could select just academic courses or could select only courses beginning with S, for instance. The sixth character import could be used for schools with specialty programs such as IB or French immersion. New in 2014 is the Available Seats report. This displays the number of seats available. It could be very helpful at specific times during the year. Or using a selective import, we could view only available seats in academic classes. A very powerful feature is the application's ability to easily draw in simulated class loads when at that stage of timetabling. It's great to be able to see visually the results of simulated loads. Here we see a sample grade 9 simulated load. The user can choose to display with or without the number of course requests. New last year was the Master Schedule by Department report. A new version in 2014 includes the teacher name. The Special Teacher Linear by Department report is nice for posting in department offices. The reports on the Section Count tab are helpful to reconcile number of sections scheduled, etc. The various user settings are typically already configured when you receive the app. The values in the class maximum tables are your school board class size guidelines. They come preset, but can be changed if needed. Next, an application which complements the Timetable app. The Course Request Tally Sectioning Assistant application, which you are currently viewing, is a great time saver and organizer during the course request, staffing, sectioning period of time, usually February through April. You and your staff will appreciate the various detail and summary reports for distribution and feedback. Data is drawn from the Course Request Tally report. The data is extracted and imported regularly as course requests change, courses are canceled, students are recounseled, etc. throughout the process, so that up-to-date data is being analyzed. At the beginning of the process, the user can initially enter all section allocations manually, as shown here. Reference comments can be entered, and notice the highlighting of large and small classes, which appears on all reports. But most users choose the option to let the application assign the estimated sections to each course, rounded to an integer, as shown here. This provides a great starting point. The user will return here often and change various section allocations manually as the process proceeds. Once the initial sections are allocated, the interesting analysis begins. The Course Requests and Sections Allocated report provides a variety of analysis and highlights. Department totals are shown, and on the last page we see the total sections allocated, a key number throughout the process. Suppose we want to combine ADA 3M1 and ADA 301. Here we create a combined class within the app. A simple process. The drop-down boxes are nice. After adding a combined course, we have to re-import to let the app recalculate. New in 2014 is the Available Seats column, shown on all reports. Now we see the requests combined for ADA 3M and ADA 30. The Department Summary Report provides a great snapshot at any time and shows our key number, the total sections allocated. Use the application on a laptop during your sectioning meetings for immediate analysis and feedback. At the beginning of the process, use this report to ask departments for opinions, and after finalizing sections, use this report to ask departments for must-have information for building the timetable. At this point, you're ready to start timetabling. I provide the Course Request Verification Assistant application to all users, no charge. The one and only reason I created this app is because it generates a course request matrix report, which is very helpful on occasion when tweaking course placement, especially single-section courses. It shows the number of student requests by course and the other courses requested by those students. This report gave me more confidence when making decisions. Print it and keep it handy. On the Other Reports tab, a user can select a course to see the students who chose it and the rest of those students' selections. A very quick mention here of the Attendance Assistant application, which is not as widely used as the other apps, but if you sometimes generate attendance letters to be sent home, this will get the job done in minutes rather than hours or days. The app also provides a variety of very nice, concise attendance reports that users such as vice principals and student success groups appreciate. Here is a sample letter which is generated using a mail merge document. New for 2014 is the ability to identify multiple vice principal names and either grade responsibility or alpha responsibility within the app. I hope the video has been helpful. Please contact me for more information, to try an app, or to purchase. Take care.